Sometimes you just need to loop over some certain sequence of numbers. We can do it manually like so. But what if the sequence is very long? Doing it manually is not very pleasant. We can utilize the range function. Range function takes 1 to 3 arguments. When you pass in just one argument, it returns the list from 0 until that number, but not including the number. So passing 10 gives a list from 0 to 9, not 0 to 10. With 2 arguments, first argument becomes the starting value, and second argument becomes the ending value. But this time includes the end value. So 1 and 10 would give 1 to 10, not 1 to 9. When the start value and end value is the same number, it returns a list with just that number inside. When the end value is 1 less than the start value, it returns an empty list. When the end value is 2 less than the start value, it is an error. The third argument is the incremental value. It is the value that gets added to the next number in sequence. 1 to 100 with 5 increment, and with 10 increment. You can also increment with negative value to go in opposite direction.